So what we're going to do today is we're going to take that poorly tooth out, okay? And how we're going to do that is we're going to use that lovely happy gas we spoke about last time with Mommy and Daddy, and we're going to pop it on with the nose piece and make sure that you're feeling really nice and relaxed before we do that, okay? When we get to the point where we're going to take that wobbly tooth out, you're going to feel a little bit of pushing like this, but you're going to make sure that we feel no pinching, and it's going to feel a little bit like pushing, because what I have to do to that poorly tooth is give it a really good wiggle to make sure I can get it out, okay? And before I do that, what I do is I pop a little bit of numbing jelly next to that tooth so it's really, really sleepy. We need to make sure that tooth's totally asleep before we start giving it a really good wiggle. Does that make sense? Yeah? And when we get started, I'll run you through everything we're going to do throughout, okay? So at no point are you going to have any questions, hopefully, and you'll know exactly what we're about to do. All right, sweetheart? Perfect. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to pop you back in the chair, okay? Fabulous. And I'm going to get you to slide up in a second so that your head's all the way on the top of the pillow. Fabulous. And if you slide all the way up for me, sweetheart, big girl. Up and pop your head really in the middle. I'm going to pop this little nose piece on, remember, and it's going to feel a little bit tight when I do it, almost like some goggles on your eyes, okay? Perfect. There we go. Keep your head in the middle for me, chin up to the sky. Good girl. And I'm going to slowly pop that on. It's going to start to feel a little bit tighter. You know we said about putting the tooth to sleep? What we're going to do is we're going to focus on doing that in the next minute, okay? So what you'll do is it will feel really, really, really cold, and it may feel like a little bit of a scratch, okay? And what I want you to do when we do that is I'm going to count from 10, and I'm going to get you to wiggle your toes for 10. Do you think you can do that? Yeah? So shall we practice? Ready? Go. So we're going to wiggle your toes for 10. Ready? 10, 9, 8, 7, keep wiggling, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Perfect. And just what that's now going to feel like is it's all really, really smooth. Should now start feeling a little bit relaxed, okay? And you just need to focus on keeping those lips closed. I don't want you to talk to me at any point, but I probably will ask some questions, okay? So you can just give me a thumbs up. So do you feel a little bit like your toes are tingling? Perfect. And do we feel tingly fingers a little bit? And do you feel like you want to maybe close your eyes and feel a little bit sleepy? Good. You can close your eyes, that's fine. You don't need to watch. Perfect. So we're all done now. Really important thing is that you keep really breathing through that nose for me, okay? So you just keep sniffing for me as you were, just really nice breaths in and out. And you keep doing that, and then I'm gonna just make sure everything's packed away. Keep doing the really nice sniffs for me. Perfect. And I'm gonna slowly wiggle this off, okay? Might feel a little bit tight again. How are you feeling? Good. You feel a little bit less sleepy? Good. Let me pop you up. Oh, you're too quick for me, nice and slowly. You're quicker than my chair. There we go. How was that? Did you feel a little bit tingly in your toes and your fingers? And did it smell like bananas the whole way?